Video.
Diyan,
Natin
gingalan
yung
kita.
video. Oh. Pinsal Falls.
Where's the giant foot?
Ha?
Where's the giant feet?
On the top. Over there. We went there before, 9 years ago.
Ayun na. Why is there a giant foot?
Footprint.
Is there actually a giant foot? Did you go?
They said before. Yeah, we went there on the top. But now it's impossible. It's kind of slippery. Baka
Ay, subog ng bigyan.
Because wow, bigyan eh.
Data. Saka
Kapanigay,
tumaglag.
wow.
Baka kalumulumot.
Kapaling pa ulin dito ni Tagtag.
Karga-karga pa ni Brianna. Karga-karga rin ni Brianna. Umulig yan eh. Dry nga mo dito.
Apa ni?
Dry. Sa namin kaso meron eh.
At the water is ding na ba kayo?
Ha?
The water na.
At the water na. Basi lang. But it's
Pwede
not
kang
like that.
pumunta doon mismo sa top ng ano na falls.
water now, Mom? Huh? Where's the water now?
And there is a giant footprint there on the top.
It's a natural water.
How lovely it is.
Not some of the falls can be a little take a bath. Looks like it's not. It's better like a
Because it's rainy season. It's more darker.
but that is already a big fall.
Guessing that looks well in the rain below.
Yeah.